The Fujifilm X T30 is camera with next-generation image-making technology to meet the ever-increasing needs of content creators, regardless of their skill level. Boasting a new 26.1 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X processor 4 quad-core CPU, the X T30 provides beginners, advanced amateurs, and professionals with fast autofocus, strong face detection, and power to create high-resolution stills with notable sharpness and clarity. Combined with its increased sensitivity range up to ISO 51200 and the ability to record 10-bit 4:2:2 DCI 4K video through the camera's HDMI port, the X T30 is truly the perfect camera for releasing your creativity. The Fujifilm X T30 features the X Series 4th generation X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor. Boasting a resolution of 26.1 MP. The sensor uses the unique X-Trans color filter array to reduce moire and false colors, all without the need for an optical low-pass filter. Additionally, its back-illuminated structure enhances image quality, while reducing noise levels and extending the native ISO to ISO 160. The new X Processor 4 has a quad-core design, which make use of the X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor's full potential. In fact, this combination is the driving force behind the camera's enhanced film simulation modes, its advanced autofocus tracking capability, and high-quality 4K/30p video capabilities. You can select program, shutter speed priority, aperture priority and manual by using a combination of the shutter speed dial and the aperture ring on the lens. The exposure compensation dial also allows you to adjust exposure by up to plus or minus 5 stops. When using the advanced SR Auto mode, the camera automatically selects the optimum shooting settings from 58 preset scenes. When the advanced SR Auto mode is selected, the camera examines the scene and automatically selects optimum autofocus and exposure settings. This mode is useful for situations where it is difficult to determine the right exposure settings. You only need to press the shutter to obtain high-quality images and capturing perfect photo opportunities. The number of AF phase detection pixels in the sensor have been increased to 2.16 million and now cover the entire frame, approximately 100%. This enables fast and accurate autofocusing. Additionally, the low light threshold for phase detection AF has been also expanded from plus 0.5 EV in previous generation camera systems to 3.0 EV. The Fujifilm X T30 can shoot continuously at up to 8.0 fps in full resolution when using the mechanical shutter. In Sports Finder mode, the camera will capture 16.6 megapixel images with a 1.25x crop factor and use its electronic shutter. This makes it possible for the camera to have AF/A tracking, blackout-free continuous shooting of up to 30 fps, and silent mode. Compared to previous models have had their accuracy and performance doubled. This is especially true when tracking subjects from the side or when they are coming towards the camera. For portrait photographers using shallow depths of field, eye detection AF can be configured to priority focus on individual eyes, or on the eye closest to the camera. Eye detection AF is also supported in AFC mode, which will assist in providing accurate focus for moving subjects. When there are multiple faces within the frame, you can select a specific person on the touchscreen panel or with the focus lever so that autofocus and exposure settings are optimized for the subject. Face Select is a perfect tool when shooting commemorative photos or shooting a specific person in a large crowd in sports or other events. Thanks to its advanced sensor and processor combination, the Fujifilm X T30 is capable of recording incredible 4K, 3840 by 2160, video by downsampling at 6K, 6240 by 3510, capture. The camera also supports 4K DCI, 17:9, an industry standard that gives videos an even more cinematic look. Finally, F-Log recording with 4:2:2 10-bit output can be captured through the HDMI port, giving professional filmmakers a wonderfully capable tool to use in achieving their creative visions. Face and eye detection AF can be used when recording video by using the touchscreen panel or the focus lever. Film simulations can also be used when capturing 4K video to creatively interpret any scene. For example, Eterna is particularly suitable for video thanks to its subdued colors and rich shadows. Acros delivers monochromatic video with fine textures and rich grains. Classic Chrome creates a unique atmosphere, reminiscent of vintage reversal films, while scenes requiring high levels of saturation can benefit from using Velvia. Whichever simulation is chosen, it can be assured that Fujifilm's color processing engine will be there to deliver incredible results. The Fujifilm X T30 offers 16 film simulation modes so that you can match your true photographic intention in a similar way to how photographers use to choose purpose-specific photographic films. This unique philosophy reflects Fujifilm's heritage and color science know-how, nurtured by over 80 years of film manufacturing. The Fujifilm X T30 features a 3.0-inch tilting touchscreen LCD monitor that has a 3:2 aspect ratio and approximately 1.04 million dots. The tilting design enables easy shooting from high and low angles. All shooting information, normally displayed on the monitor, can be turned off if you want to concentrate on taking the picture. The Fujifilm X T30 allows touch-based controls during shooting, such as Touch AF, Touch Focus Area Selection, Touch Shot and Touch Function. This capability means you can move your focus area faster and more intuitively than ever before, or simply use a swipe motion to scroll through images when reviewing.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.